It's that boy Blue from Mississippi, man.
Well, yeah, y'all, that's why I've been coming there, give me a little some teeth and bumpers. A little bumpers. You know, let them going out here, they car hopping and things. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all my little lunch when they get here though. I don't know. Bobby bike. This is where I'm eating at, y'all. Y'all see them? Bumpers. Look, y'all, these sound gone waiting on me to leave. They got a little deer right here. Woo! They trying to tear him up. That was a big boy too. Oh. Alright, y'all, look, where we at? I'm on Straight Bayou. I'm on Straight Bayou. You can see we got trees on both sides. Y'all can see these on this side. They been up for a nice little minute here. So let me show y'all. Now this well, brand new crowd was left. I'm gonna show y'all when I turn around. When I turn around, I'm gonna show y'all. But these what they got over here though. You can tell all of them in a straight line. So they, you know, man-made, you know. So my fuzz, you can see. Fuzz, you can see. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the baby one. They ain't too long road probably. I say about couple years ago. Yeah, I'm on the same road, but I'm at another angle. So that's all that out there. With these folks done grow. You see how tall it is. I mean, you can see how old it is by the height. Which one the oldest? That's how I look at it. But let me go show you the one. As you can tell, they ain't too long started these. I don't know what type of trees they is. They right here. Right here. They the one that just been made, well been grown. And the one at the further back, you know them the older ones, so they gonna come down first. See. Yeah. We got a whole man-made forest out here. This forest out here fully grown over here. Tell them what's all in there. And as you can see, they bring and rolling for it back. And y'all see them big houses over there, them black people houses right there. Black folk that had some money. Their service and lumber right here. And there's nothing right there. Still fixing stuff up across the street. They got a car wash. And they just started on this right here last week, and they almost through. And there's Chuck's Diner right there. Everybody waiting on it to get through. This the tax place. And this was the park and stuff over there. And you know that's Napa, you know. Everett Furniture. And y'all know that right there, that's Stop and Shop, you know. Here's Tire, FP, F Bumper. You know, ain't nothing too much happen down that way. But yeah. They trying to bring it back. It's coming. Alright, y'all. These them apartment back here behind where they just built the double quick. These how the apartment live back here, y'all. Look at that. I'm talking about it's this how far the money is away from coming from double quick to over here, but it didn't even make it across the street, y'all. Look, apartment through Boogie over here, man. Yeah, and then March 29th, 2024. Look at these apartments, y'all. They ain't did nothing to it. It don't even look like nothing wrong with the apartment. Get the glass and stuff broke out of. It's crazy. Playground still over here. Everything. Yeah, this the neighborhood over here though. Can't see the houses and stuff still up. And this the school over there. Y'all can see back over there with the red stuff on the wall. That's school right there. I mean red stuff on the roof over there. That's the school, you know what I'm saying? And Billy Joe. I don't know what Billy Joe doing right here. What you doing, Billy Joe? Huh? Billy Joe getting it right. But yeah. Rolling for Mississippi, y'all. Y'all finna see how the water done got out here. I know y'all remember me showing y'all last time, but check out this time. Check out this time though. Man, that water too high. Now this the river. Hold on, let me stop and show you. Now this the something. Look how fast that water moving too. Look at that white. It's something white in the. Look how fast the water move. But right there where you see that white thing where it's flowing at, that's the river. The Sunflower River. But as you can tell, the river is way over here. It done came way over here, y'all. And I'm gonna show y'all the bridge. I wish I would've took a picture. I mean, did a video of that. So yeah. All that right there, they just pushed that tree over there about a couple months ago. Oh yeah, let me go show y'all the bridge though. Alright y'all, we finna pull up to the river, cross the bridge. Finna cross the bridge, kid. Y'all see how high it is. Y'all see how high it is. You pushing too now. Field still wet. I'm gonna show y'all some more stuff too. It's a house sitting in water. Been sitting in water for 2-3 days. We'll be back.
It's a basketball. Okay. And then if you look at the movie that Frank Sinatra that made,
Manchurian Candidate.
yeah. Now, when that came out, before Kennedy was hit, and they realized, the big boys, they paid Sinatra and them hundreds of millions of dollars to pull that off the market for X amount of years. Now they know it's getting ready to come back on, so Denzel Washington, he don't know, he's just an actor, he don't know nothing. Brilliant actor, that's all I expect out of him. So when Denzel Washington did the Manchurian Candidate, it was different. So all the young folks that born that saw the Manchurian Candidate, they didn't see the real one. You can see that Lee Harvey Oswald was treated the same way with brain control. You know? So that's what they do. They can do that anytime they want because they're empowered. What's dangerous is when the universe pick you and you put on the magic glasses. There's rules that go with them. You can never take them off. You never see things that they're supposed to do. You see things as they are.
Okay, we know we in the fall. And right here, as you can see, they got the school buses over there and stuff that play practically tore up, and they still working out of it. And as you can remember, right here on this highway, people, it was a basketball court. Everything was out here. But they say Rutherford got $2.7 million, and they supposed to have fixed up the community. I don't see nothing fixed. Nothing but the businesses. It's crazy though. But yeah, over there, there's like a vocational place and where they fix school buses up. It looked like it been tore up through the tornado. They ain't stopped and fixed it up or nothing, but they still working out of it. So, it's crazy, y'all. Man, have some more footage though. You can see they got Chick-fil-A in Rolling Fork 2024. Y'all saw that. They see they still got the buildings tore up. Some white folk building right there, so that know what they got going on. Buildings still tore up, man. I'm gonna show y'all on the highway where the basketball court used to be at. It's no longer there. We'll be right back in a second. Yeah, y'all can see. They got all of the trailer houses the same. They got up to, they're gonna have about 15, 20 trailer houses. Right, y'all, there's an update. The Anguilla FEMA apartment. Y'all see how many they done got now, don't you? They out there working now. They got plenty. I'll be back with some more info. Yo, y'all can see what they say. Sharkey is Queen County rolling for a library. They got $2.7 million. Look at that library, y'all. What they doing with the money, y'all?
Tell me what